The weather may very well be frightful outside. We've got more snow, we've got more cold temperatures, which means we need comfort, cozy, delicious, warm food. And I am making my sausage and bean soup. It's kind of like a pasta fagioli, sort of that kind of vibe, but it's creamy. It's got sausage in it. It's so delicious. I know you will love it. I shared it over on Instagram and you guys went crazy for it. And I figured because a lot of you asked me for the full-blown Lara in the Kitchen recipe on it, here it is. And it's so simple. It really is. And it's just delicious. I feel like it kind of combines like a creamy aspect of a soup, pasta fagioli. It's delicious. In my in my soup pot, I've got some sausage cooking and crumbling. I'm not making a huge pot because there's just a couple of us for dinner tonight. So just 3 of us. And I don't like to make a soup with pasta in it because it swells. I don't like to make so much of it that it sits in the fridge because the pasta swells and then it becomes really mushy. So I just like to make enough for an entire day worth of cozying up with a TV on, a movie, maybe read a book, do some projects around the house, whatever you need to do to keep you going through these warm, cold months. Giving yourself something warm and cozy to look forward to is what we got to do, you know? I'm adding my onion and celery. I'm not adding carrots because my carrots are actually from the freezer. I've been working on using my stash of frozen carrots that I popped in there. And so I'm just going to add them when I add the liquid. And I'm just going to cook this all together. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and just let them do their thing for a few minutes. I want the celery and the onion to cook down. I'm going to finally mince up some garlic. And that's it. Add your garlic in. Let that cook just like 30 seconds. You want to get rid of any raw garlic flavor. It's so good. It smells so good already. Very much like comfort foods. You'll need some tomato products. Could be crushed tomatoes, could be diced tomato, could be whatever. These are my home canned tomatoes. I'm going to use a half a jar because remember, I'm not making a huge pot. I'm making about half. So that's plenty. We've got some chicken stock. We got our carrots. We got our beans. We got our cream. We have everything that we need. I'm going to add, there goes my stock. Remember, about half of my canned tomatoes, because if you were doing a full pot, you'd need about a 14-ounce can of whatever tomato it is that you're using. A little cream for that added creamy richness. It's just divine. Do not leave it out. You will be sorry. It's so good. My carrots, these are just chopped carrots from the freezer. A piece of a Parmesan rind. You know that goes a long way. You know that is spectacular and delicious. And then I'm going to add a 14-ounce can of drained and rinsed cannellini beans and a little pinch of Italian seasoning, or a big pinch. We like it. And I'm just going to go ahead and bring this up to a boil. Let it simmer. It does not need to simmer longer than like 20 minutes. It's a very quick cooking soup, but it tastes so rich and delicious. It tastes like it's been simmering forever. I'm probably going to let it go for like a half an hour. I'll put it on low just to really get those flavors developed. And then we'll add our ditalini, and we're like that much closer to getting this done. Soup has been simmering about 30 minutes. It already tastes so delicious. And if you didn't want to add the pasta, maybe you could add a handful of kale, some spinach, make it a little more soupy, and not add the pasta if you want to, but around here, we're just going to do what feels right. We're adding ditalini. This is going to be so nice and thick and delicious. I'm going to let this cook. It's already perfectly seasoned. I'm not adding any additional salt, but you could if you wanted to. This is going to cook like 8 or 9 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Like I said, I like a nice creamy deliciousness, but if you wanted it to be looser, you could always add more stock. It is simply perfection. Look at how gorgeous. It's spectacular. It's rich. It's exactly what the body and soul need on a day like today. I'm pretty sure it's like, I don't know, 12 degrees outside or something ridiculous. Now make sure you're going to add extra parm when you go to serve it, which I know you will. I just don't have it right here. I left it in the fridge. Lots of black pepper, fresh parm, come to mama. And if you make a batch of my Dutch oven bread, then let me tell you something. Time is done. Soup's done. If you make a batch of my Dutch oven bread, then guess what? You are really in business. You're gonna have a little bit of everything. broth was so yummy. I tasted it earlier for seasoning. Perfection. I love it so much. Go to laurainthekitchen.com for the written recipe. I hope you enjoy spending time with me. I hope that wherever you are, you're staying warm, you're staying inside, you're keeping cozy, you're keeping safe, and make yourself some comfort food. It makes the days go by a lot easier, especially when there's not much to look forward to. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, hope you enjoy spending time with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.